Hi friends, welcome to my channel. We are here at the pond park, which is called Ganesh Talav. Okay, because there's this Ganesh Mandir. You can see this over there. I am not at the entrance at the moment. I've come. It is 8:45, so it's like full sunlight. It is 33 degrees. So I've come to the shade. I've come to this like this. This is the shaded area. So this is like this wall, and then this police camp. So I'm a little more inside in the interiors. So I said I'll shoot here because it's a Sunday. So I wanted to make it a little special. It's 8:45. I cannot stand on my 2 feet because it's really hot. It is like 33 degrees. Gosh, look at it. See, I'll just take a shot of the pond. Look, check out. It's so beautiful because it was raining yesterday. Otherwise, it's very not so great. This because now it's become very green because of the rains. Yesterday it poured like anything, right? So that's the reason why it's beautiful. But it's really very humid and one cannot hang around here for a longer time. So this is basically the view, and it's cool. You should see the water. There are some lotus plants in this. Lotuses. So I'm just giving you an overview because I don't come at this time. Actually, I wind up by 8 o'clock latest. And if it is a winter season, it's very pleasant. But now, since it's summer season, one just cannot move out, let alone coming for a walk over here is just impossible. So I said, let me do something different. In the morning, I went to have my Nagori cha because that first batch they make it at around between 6:30 and 7, and it had become perfect. So the owner told the employee who was making, मैडम को टेस्ट करने को दो, पहला टेस्ट करने को दो, टेस्ट करने को दो, शुगर कैसा है देखने दो. So because it's the first batch, I always say when you're having chai, you should always have the first batch. So when I had the first batch, I said ये perfect बनी है chai, and I had taken the glass mug from my home because it's just near to the small garden. It's just near to my house. So I had taken my copper tumbler and my this, and I had taken a bun bread from my Nagori milk center. Next time I'll take a shot of that. There's this cute chap. He's got 3 sons and all of them look damn cute, but one of them is damn cute and sweet. He's like, आप भी खास हो ना हमारे लिए तो. So then I say, oh, so cute. I always get that bun bread from them. I used to get my curds and paneer sometimes from them whenever I prepare paneer because they prepare it, and they have all this rabdi and lassi and milk cake. They have all those kinds because it's a milk center. So I went with my this, and the chai was, I'm always saying whenever you're having टपरी वाली चाय also ना, between 6, जब भी वो टपरी खोलते हैं 6:30 to 7 o'clock, वो that is the fresh one. See, I'll just give an, see, this is the wall, and that thing is police camp. That is the police colony. And just check it out how this green and beautiful this, because I'm a little more on the inside, full of people taking a walk. So let me take a walk and walk with me on my parapet. This is a little more on the I could say this is a little more on the, like I can just step down. This is like a step, but the other side is much on the higher thing. It is on the height. So probably because it's like this now, it's like this essay or essay. So like that. I'll show you this little doggy sleeping, and he looks damn cute, when he's sleeping. This when in the morning after I finish my chai, there's this building ka that doggy was there, and she's so fat and cute and white, So I'm like, she knows me, right? I said, now you become Jadi, come for a walk with me. She's just wagging her tail, and she came next to me. She was waiting till I could pet her. I love the dirty. They look dirty, but they are very, very cute. See, look at them. Like he's drinking this water from this pimp. This blue color ka pani ka wo. You can see the crow. Okay, I'll show you this doggy sleeping. So peacefully they are sleeping. Don't want to bother them. See? how animals are sleeping without a care in the world. See the crow. See this tree. See, this is those police colonies, no? Those old buildings of the 70s. Nearer to the wall, to the boundary wall. The whole round could be around half a kilometer. The whole circumference.